Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I thought I would show you how I prepare one of my Easter packages to ship to a family member. This is what I enclose in the package. 1 ring of Polish kielbasa, 2 loaves of Easter bread which Grandpa made, 1 jar of our homemade horseradish, and a palm cross. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap up the kielbasa. I'm going to put it in the butcher's paper first. We want to wrap this up real good. And then I'm going to take a gallon of freezer bags, a gallon freezer bag, and I'm going to put it on one side of the kielbasa. And then I'm going to take another one and I'm going to put it over the gallon bag. So I'm using 2. And this will help because you should smell how delicious this kielbasa is because it's so wonderful. And by putting the plastic over it now, it won't, with shipping, you won't be able to smell anything from the package. And then I'm going to take a plastic bag and I'm going to wrap it in the plastic bag and tie it up good. And now this is all ready to put in my package and ship it. Now I'm going to take some brown paper and put my homemade horseradish and roll it up in the brown paper. And put some tape here to keep the paper in place. Then I'm going to fold the ends and tape the end down. And then I'm going to fold this other end down because you have to wrap this very, very good because it's in the glass jar and you don't want the glass jar to break when you're shipping it. Then I have packing bubble here. I have the packing bubble. And now I'm going to wrap this a few times in the packing bubble. And this will cushion it good. And I'm going to tape that down too now. The bubble wrap. And see, it's all secure now. Now that it's wrapped, I'm going to place it in a Ziploc bag. So just in case it would break, it won't go all over the place. It will be in the plastic. And then I'm going to take another bag. This is a quart freezer bag. And I'm going to put it in there. And zipper that up too. And then I'm going to tape this down a little bit. So this is very secure now for shipping. So nothing will, this, even if it was to break, which it shouldn't because it's packed really well, it won't go all over. The horseradish won't go all over the package. So now that's done. Now for the homemade bread, I'm going to take my heavy duty aluminum foil and I'm going to wrap up the bread in the aluminum foil. Well, make sure the ends are tucked in well. And now the bread is all in the foil, the one bread. And now I'm going to take a gallon freezer bag. I'm going to stick it in here like this and close it up. This way it'll stay nice and fresh through the shipping. I'm going to fold this over like this and I'm going to just tape this here. This one is ready. And now I'm going to work on the second loaf. This bread is so delicious that all the family members love it. And you make sure it's all closed up. This could be a little more. I think I'll put another piece. Make sure the ends are nice and secure. And now this should stay real secure during shipping. And now these are the palm crosses that I enclose in my package. We get quite a few on Palm Sunday, and I come home and I make a bunch of these crosses to give to all the family members. Now this is my shipping box, and to secure it, I have my bubble wrap. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in here like this. Then I take another piece of bubble wrap and I go in the opposite direction, lay it down, and then I start placing my items. My kielbasa, the bread, the horseradish, and my palm cross will go on top. And then what you do is you just fold this down, and you fold this down, and you fold this down, and now it's ready for me to close up the top. I'll put a little filling, like I'm going to put maybe some popcorn over here, the little popcorn styrofoam. I'll fill this all up, then I'll close this up, label it, and it's all ready to be shipped. So this is how I ship my Easter packages to family members. The package is all done, just it has to be addressed. But as you could see, I like to use duct tape on my packages from the Dollar Tree. They really hold the flaps in on the box and everything's secure. And then I have fragile stickers, so I like to place the fragile handle with care across the duct tape. And this is what my package looks like, and I'll address it and take it to the post office.